Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and you may be wondering where the heck have I been? So today I wanted to do a video and tell you where I've been and give you a little bit of update on what is going on with the channel. So I haven't uploaded in about a month and it's been a while, so I'd like to give you an update on what's been going on in my life and why the heck haven't I uploaded anything and the future status of the channel. So first things first, I am back in California. I moved away from Idaho. I am off track. I was up there for school and now I am off semester, and I'll be living here in California for a little while. So while I'm here, I'll be able to bust out more content and do more things because I won't be in school. So while I'm here, I'll be able to create more things. And you may be wondering, well, if you got back here during Christmas time, then why haven't you made anything else? And that goes into another subject of why I haven't been able to make any content recently. And that is that I'm experiencing a current struggle that happens in my entire family. And that is that I am going bald. My entire family, every single man, has a bald head. And it's something that we struggle with, and I'm perfectly okay with that. My dad is bald, my mom's dad was bald, my other grandpa, he had thinning hair throughout his whole life, and all the other men in my family are bald. So it runs in the family, it's my genetics, and I'm okay with that. It's just something that I have to learn to work with. But I've been working and experimenting on things and methods that I can do to salvage my hair, which is some things I'd like to share with you today that I've been doing. So one of the things I started doing once I noticed that I was thinning and losing hair is that I stopped using really heavy petroleum oil-based pomades just because they would clog up my pores so much, and it wasn't good to have something that's difficult to wash out when my hair is already, struggling for survival. So what I've been doing a lot is I've been using clays, water bases, and some kind of lighter holding products. Really light holding, but easy to wash out products. So I've been using those, and then in addition to that, I'm also starting to use some other products to save my hair. One of them is Rogaine. So this is one that you apply to the crown of your head and is supposed to stimulate hair growth in the back of your head region. And I've been using it and it's working. It works, and I'm going to keep using it and keep maintaining it so I can keep my hair stimulated and healthy and growing more. Another thing that I just started using is Nioxin, which is also one that's supposed to clean out your pores and stimulate hair growth and kind of revitalize your pores and hair follicles. And that one I've been using very recently, so I haven't been able to make a lot of progress on it, but I have good faith in it, and I know that I'll be trying certainly as many things as I can to help my hair and to make sure that it is continuing to grow. So I'm comfortable with my hair now, although it's not what it used to be and it never will be what it used to be. I'm comfortable with what I have now, and I can be able to put out more content with the kind of hair that I have now. Alright, and then that's about it for what's been happening. I haven't been uploading content because of the move, because I was in finals week for my semester, holidays, and because of my thinning hair. But other than that, get ready for some new content that I'm going to be able to be pushing out. Videos are now going to be in HD, which is nice, and I'll be able to push out as much content as I can on the channel. I love you guys, I love this channel, and I'm not stopping anytime soon. So be on the lookout for some fresh stuff I'll be having in the future.